What is going on, guys? So right behind me, I have a Porsche Cayman S with straight pipe exhaust. This thing is crazy loud. So in today's video, I basically want to measure how loud this straight pipe Cayman actually is. So according to Car and Driver, they say that the 911 GT3 RS is the loudest production car, supercar, running at 108 decibels. So today what I'm actually doing is putting on my old exhaust because this exhaust that I built is way too loud. It honestly makes my ears hurt every time I drive it. Before I take it off, I wanted to show you guys how loud this thing really actually is. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the car a few revs. Here's a quick walk around of what the Porsche Cayman actually looks like, in case you wanted to know. So this car comes with a flat 6 with a 3.4. So I'm not completely sure how accurate this app will be, but judging by the way it's picking up my voice while I speak, I think it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna set it up with this water bottle here. Hopefully it doesn't fall over, but that way you can get kind of a view of everything. Okay, so just at idle, it's running about 80 decibels. That is crazy. All right, let's give her a few revs. Okay, so that was about 6,000 RPMs that I revved it all the way up to. Those first couple few were between 2,000 and 4,000 RPMs. So I didn't actually record what the numbers put out, but I'm gonna go ahead and look back on my camera real quick and see what it recorded. 121, that is crazy. So that is only, let's see, so the GT3 RS puts out 108. This is only 13 decibels louder than a factory car. That is insane. Granted, it could have been a little bit louder because I did only rev it up to 6,000 RPMs and this revs up to 7,000 RPMs. But wow, so that goes to show just really how loud this exhaust is. It is ear piercing. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the old exhaust back on. I think the neighbors are gonna like that a lot more than the exhaust that is on it right now. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all for today. We will catch you guys next time. Deuces.